Hi there. In this video, I'm going to share 3 tips with you on how you can be consistent. By the end of this video, you will have 3 concrete steps on how you can be consistent. Whatever it is you put your mind to, you will be consistent. So the first tip is that have a finish line and go for it. So if you have a finish line which is far away, chances of you finishing it and being consistent are very less. So have a finish line which is very close so that you feel that you will be able to finish it. Close in a way that it is challenging and close in a way that it is not far ahead. So have a finish line, go for it and finish it. The sooner you finish, the sooner you will have more confidence and more willpower and more, you will feel a sense of achievement to do it all over again. The second tip, think of the end in mind. Doing that consistent task every day or every week or in every 5 days, whatever the task you want to do, every day it can get boring. It can become monotonous. So think of the end result in mind. You should have that mental picture in your mind and you should visualize it. And when you visualize it, it should propel you to take action. Okay, so it should be kind of a picture which energizes you. It should bring a smile on your face and you should feel inspired to go for it. So the tip number 2 is think of the end in mind. And the third tip is, remind yourself why you want to do it. What is the purpose behind that? So remind yourself about the why behind it. It could be a story. It could be your own story. It could be a pain you went through and then you said, okay, I'm going to achieve this. Or it could be any story that is your personal story. So think of the why, think of the purpose behind why you want to achieve that thing, achieve that goal. So constantly think about it and thinking about the why behind that goal will make you consistent. If you're feeling lost or demotivated, think of the why behind it. So the 3 tips are have a finish line, go for it. Second is think of the end in the mind, and the third is remind yourself of the why behind it. And now I'm going to give you a bonus tip. The bonus tip is that plan your next day ahead. Okay, and specifically to be consistent, plan already when you are going to do it the next day. Put a time and put a date of when you want to do. And if it is a daily task, plan a time slot when you are going to show up for this task and be consistent. So plan that slot for the next day and do it. Plan it ahead, plan it today for tomorrow and be consistent, show up and do it. That's a bonus tip from me. So let me know if these tips have helped you, if this video helped you, and go and try these tips. These tips will surely work. They have worked for me. And also if you like this video, click on like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.